everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in my closet today. I'm going to be filming a closet tour and show you guys all of my tips and tricks and the way that I organize my closet. This is a small closet, if you will. I mean, it's not a walk-in closet, but it's just all on a wall, and it just had a bar and a shelf when I first started organizing it. So now I've kind of, tried to maximize the space. So I'm going to show you guys all of it and go through every section. So this door is the right door of my closet. As you can see, there's a collage on it. I printed all these photos off of Snapfish in different sizes, and they're just like movie quotes, like inspiration, Vogue pictures, just everything in the book, all that goes with like an aesthetic. So I kind of use this as a mood board. It was supposed to go in my room, but it honestly looks good in the closet and it helps me prepare like outfits and just like colors, and it's just fun. So I have that on this door. Then over here, this door has this over the door hanger that I got from Amazon, and it goes perfectly with the style of my bed. My bed, which you'll see maybe in the room tour that I do at some point, is that typical IKEA bed that a lot of people have, and it just really goes with that vibe. On here I keep this tote bag. It's from ASOS and it just says just a cliche. And then I also keep my comfy robe and this Savage Fenty robe. I'm going to show you guys some of my favorites from each section, and this is definitely my favorite robe in the whole world. It's like a hoodie and it's just really comfy. So if you ever get something from Savage Fenty, I really recommend this one. So now I'm going to talk about this top section. So this is just the shelf that came built into this closet, and it has these IKEA boxes. Over here I have this memory box that I got from Marshalls or Home Goods or something like that, and then I have that wooden box that my sister gave me for my bridesmaid proposal or whatever. And then at the top I just have this random popcorn box that I keep like some things in. These boxes up here I have are from IKEA. So this one just has a bunch of hangers, these black felt hangers, and just some other random stuff. This one has all of my makeup bags, some clutches, toiletry bags, all of the bags that I use for traveling and all that stuff, and maybe some extra wallets. This one is pretty bare. This one just has a few of my winter like beanies and scarves, but I don't really have much of that, so it's pretty empty. And then the last one I have is like my summer box, and it has swimsuits, cover-ups, sarongs, all of that stuff that I need in the summer. So I have a summer and a winter, and then just like toiletries, like more things for organization. The boxes, as I said, are from IKEA and they're foldable, so they're really great. I'll also link them down in the description, as well as everything that I talk about. So I have the over-the-door hangers and all that stuff. I'll link it. Now I'm going to show you guys everything that's on this rod. This is the one again that came with my closet, and I basically just organize it by section. And before I start, it's basically each section has its own purpose. So short sleeve to long sleeve for casuals, short sleeve to long sleeve for formal, all of that stuff. And in that I always put the black stuff either at the back, or if it's only like black, I obviously put it together. Alright, so I'll start off here. This is the section for like my bodysuits. For a favorite in this section, it's definitely this one from ASOS. It has like some lace. So as I said, it's like colored to black. And then of course in the back I have all of my black bodysuits, which is a lot because they just go with everything. So I have scoop neck, v-neck, all of the types, and then I have some that are long sleeve, and then I have this one that's more like glittery. Then I have this section that's all tops, and then it also goes to sweaters in the back. I have my casual tops here. So I have some t-shirts that are like nicer t-shirts that I would go out in, not like the regular ones that I wear with leggings and all that stuff. So all of these, and then I have, some striped t-shirts, just like patterned, and then I have some long sleeve. So that's just all the casual, solid colored, or just very casual tops. You're gonna see a pattern with all of my clothes. It's basically all from ASOS. I found the best stuff on there. But this specific t-shirt I really like. It says Bisou, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. It's from H&M. And then I have this one that's, again, of course, from ASOS. And it just has all these like neon butterflies. It's really cute. Then I go into formal wear. So this is, a like more solid formal top, just some formal wear. These are all from like ASOS. I wear them to work and stuff. So just a bunch of casual ones. And then I have some blouses. All of these. I really like, you know, the snake print one. This one's really cute. This is from Romwe. And then I have this fun one that I just got a few weeks ago. And I haven't worn it, but I'm really excited to wear it like at night. And then of course it goes into the black stuff. This is actually a romper. I don't know what it's doing here. And then the last section over here is all of my sweaters, and the way that I did it is with like turtlenecks to like patterned and like knit. And then I have my cardigans in the back. So over here, this like windbreaker is just kind of random, but I didn't have any place for it. I have some turtleneck things. This is a shawl, but I always put it up here because if I put it in a bin, I feel like I forget to use it to plan outfits. So yeah, some solid ones, casual. This one's really cute. It's from ASOS, of course. H&M, all of that. And then in the back, I have some longer cardigans. I really like this one. It has like fur, or not really fur, but it's like really comfy and cute. Then over here are my pants and bottoms. This works really well with being over the dresser because it lets me put stuff over the dresser without, you know, knocking them over and stuff. So I have black jeans to some of my blue jeans. I don't really wear blue jeans, so it's very sparse. I have some patterned pants. These are pretty cute. And then some like leather pants, some skirts. These are my two absolute favorite skirts. This one, you can't really see it, but it's like a frill ruffled skirt from ASOS that I'm obsessed with polka dots. And then this one's really fun and different. It's like a maxi skirt with snake print, and that's from Missguided. Over here is my jackets. I normally keep a black and a blue denim jacket, but the black one is in my car. So I have just this blue one from H&M. I have this casual like Nike jacket. I don't really know what its purpose is because it doesn't really keep you warm or anything, but it's fun to wear to the gym. And then I have a black blazer and my leather jacket and a black fur. So all of my like black jackets. And then the back, obviously this doesn't follow the rule of being light to black, but I just found this to work better in the back for some reason. I don't really know. But this is just my blazer from Forever 21 that I really like. In the back here, I keep all of my dresses that go from rompers to dresses to maxi dresses. And there are short sleeve to long sleeve, you know, quarter length sleeve and all of that. This is my absolute favorite romper. It's super cute. It has lemons on it and it's from H&M. And then formal pieces, I have this really, really pretty velvet dress that I wore on Christmas last year. It's just so nice. It's from ASOS again, of course. ASOS doesn't stop there. This one's also from ASOS. I am obsessed with this one. It's very fun and different. It's kind of bohemian, but not really. And then this is like my newest dress. I'm super excited to wear this with like a denim jacket or something. It's just a black maxi dress from Missguided, and it was literally like $10 on sale. They're having a lot of sales now. Now I'm going to show you guys my dresser organization. So on the top of my dresser, I keep the sunglasses box that I showed you guys in my Amazon favorites. I keep my headband organizer and my scrunchie organizer. And I keep this. This is my pride and joy. I can't wait to have this in like my home someday. It's just the Vogue The Covers book with Rihanna on the cover. And I keep this in here because I don't want to get ruined. I don't want it to get ruined. And it's like really good inspo. Vogue is always, you know, fashion inspo. This dresser is the mom dresser from IKEA, and I won't show the first drawer because that's like my underwear, bras, socks, all that stuff. So this, I don't want to show it because again it has like my underwear and stuff, but it's like a very common drawer organizer that you can get anywhere. It has like the zip on the bottom and it like collapses, so if you don't need to use it, it's great. Really recommend. This is all of my t-shirts, and this goes 3 rows down. I have a lot of black t-shirts, some colored ones, my UH shirt, tie-dye. This is a really good mental illness shirt that I got offline. ASOS, Pretty Little Thing, ASOS, everything is from ASOS in my life. And this last drawer has a bunch of my lounge pants. They're from like Missguided, Forever 21, just like joggers. And then my pajama pants and shorts for lounging and pajamas. Alright, and lastly for my closet is the shoe organization. I'm not proud of this. I hate my shoe organization, but it's honestly just because I don't have much space for it. I have these shelves that I will link in the description. Some that are similar. I don't really know where I got these. But let me show you anyway. These are really great shelves, but I have way more shoes than the shelf can handle. And if I added layers, it would just not work with the clothes that's hanging over it. So in here I have like my thigh-high boots at the top, some black booties. On the bottom I have my like combat boots. Some are like for the snow and stuff. I don't really normally wear those. Here are like my commonly worn Nike Technos. I love these. I have my Reebok, more Nike workout shoes, a lot of Adidas, and then I have like my nicer heels and all that stuff. Believe it or not, I'm a big fan of fashion, but I hate wearing like heels and stuff. So these are my favorite like heel length or heel height, and they're from ASOS. These are not from ASOS. These are from Aldo. And they're very good quality, so if you're looking for something that's kind of affordable but will last you a while, check out Aldo. They're also having a lot of sales right now. Alright, so to wrap up this video, again for the tips, over-the-door hangers are really great to maximize space, bins, all of that. Organizing your clothes through style of clothing, sleeve length, color is really hard to keep up with in my opinion, but if you're good at keeping up with color, that's a really great way. But also, my biggest tip, and I know you guys have heard this probably countless times, get the same color hangers. These are all black felt hangers. I'm obsessed with these because they just hold my clothes, they don't slip, and they're literally all the same color. So it looks super, super good. I also have these black wooden ones for any like super heavy jackets, so it still goes with the color scheme, but they're better for like heavy jackets. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. If you're like organizing your closet right now, now is a great time to do so. This might help you if you just enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment what you want to see next, subscribe if you want more content. I put out videos every week. I'm trying to get into a schedule, but it hasn't really worked out, so you know, bear with me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!